Things I learned from Korean makeup artist, concealer edition. Remember when they were doing my makeup, they will marinate my concealers. Let's say I'm concealing under my eyes. Okay, first of all, that's way too much. We'll use like really small brush and then spread just tiniest bit of concealer like this under my eyes. But you don't want to go too close to where your eyes end because you want to create the aegyosa. So that will put super thin layer. On camera, my concealer looks blended, but it's actually just super thin. And then we'll wait a couple of minutes, maybe doing my eyebrows, eyelashes, something else, and let that sit for like 1 or 2 minutes. And I call it marinating my concealer. And after a couple of minutes, that will use this kind of puff to really thin it out even more and dab that in. And I actually saw a huge difference when I marinate my concealer versus when I don't. I'm creating my aegyosa a little bit more because of the concealer, it's kind of deleted. This side is concealed, this side is not. And then that's how they concealed.